Hello traders, welcome back again to my channel. In today's video, we're talking about the break and retest strategy. For those who have not yet gotten a strategy for themselves, watch this video to the end. And if you have already gotten a strategy, I think you might learn one or two from this particular strategy. You can add it and implement it in one of your trade. You can see somewhere in your setup and you can use it and trade. So break and retest strategy is very important strategy or important setup when you are trading a trending market. One thing peculiar about this break and retest strategy is that you can only trade it, you can only implement it during a trending market. If the market doesn't have a trend, you can't place this kind of trade. You can't use this kind of strategy. So this particular setup now, break and retest, is very nice, and it comes out and makes a trend a high probability trade. So whenever you are placing a trade using the break and retest strategy, we are sure that this will be a nice trade. Although there's no setup that is 100% sure. No matter your strategy, sometimes you're going to hit your stop loss. That is just the thing. And they have break and retest. You can also have a breakout. Whenever there's a breakout, there's always a retest. But there's something I want to show you. I want to give you an overview of what break and retest is all about. Let me show you an overview. When you see a chart that is moving in a downtrend like this, forming the lower low and the lower high, you see that this is the lower low, and the next one that is formed here is just the lower high. So this is a retest. Then if the market happens to come down and break this particular position, that means the market have breakouts. So now look at this. The market now comes down and breakout. This is a breakout. If you want to enter this trade, don't enter here. Don't enter here. You're already late. If you enter this trade here, that means liquidity will definitely sweep you out. You want to enter somewhere here. So the only thing that you need to do as a professional trader is to wait, have patience, because trade is not about patience. Protect your capital and wait for the market to retest. You understand? Now the market will now retest. That's when you will now look for your entry. Look for a fat or a dodgy candlestick that shows that there's a manipulation or indecision that the market is about to change a reversal. But if you don't understand the reversal market or the reversal pattern, I'm going to drop it in the description of this video. If you don't know the candlestick that shows trend reversal, I'll drop it in this video. And the charts and patterns, that when they are being formed, it shows that market is about to change its trend. I will also drop it in the description of this video. So just choose one and watch it, or better still, watch both of them. It will help you in your trading journey. So as the market is now going down, the next thing, it went up and retests. Then it came down again. That's when you enter. So if you want to enter this type of trade, enter somewhere here. If you enter here, you get a nice entry. So this thing is applicable, the same thing, break, retest, break again, just like your normal support and resistance zone. But it's not always the same. That one that I've been seeing whenever there's a breakout and a retest. So I'm going to show you that one later. So this is how it looks like. Another one is when the market is in an uptrend. When it's an uptrend, it's the same thing as when it is in downtrend. So just like the same thing, break, this is a retest, breakout, wait for the test, you enter, the market to break out, you go with the market, just like that, retest, you throw with the market. Just enter, don't enter because the market is going, is buying, or is selling. No, relax your mind, allow the market to come back to you. When it comes back to you, then you now free trade and ride on. Don't just go and enter a trade and start forcing it to go in a particular trade. You know what the market wants to do, what's the candlestick, then allow it to do that, then you ride on with the particular trend that you're looking for. Okay, guys, this is just an overview. Of what break and retest is all about. I'm going to show you breakout and retest in the live chart. So now follow me. Let's go to live charts. Like I told you before, this trend is always seen only in trending market. This particular setup is seen only in trending market. So now let us go to live charts. Let me show you how to handle this and how it looks. Okay, guys, here will come. This is the live charts. In this chart, I'm going to show you break and retest. Now look at this. This is where the market was in downtrend. You can see it with your eyes. So now look at the break and retest. The market actually pushed down. Like I told you, this is the 1 hour time frame. You can hold this trade for hours. So here, you don't need to enter this trade so quick. You have to wait, give it time for the market to retrace. You can see the type of candle that is being formed. This is a pure hammer, and a hammer is a reversal candlestick. So if you don't understand all these kind of candlesticks, I'm going to still drop it. Like I told you before, I'll drop the video in the description of this particular video. One of the video is a candlestick that shows trend reversal. This another one is charts and patterns that show trend reversal. Like whenever you see, just know that the trend reversal is about to take place. Like head and shoulder is already there. I'm seeing head and shoulder already. So now look at it now. The market now moved, market push down again, and this is the breakout. The market breakout here. You understand? It broke out because this is the all-time low, the previous all-time low, and the market broke out from here and then pushed down to this all-time low, and then the market still retrace. So when the market is retracing, that is where smart money traders get ready to enter a trade. So this is the point where you get ready to place your own trade. After this candlestick was being formed, you push the market down. A little retracement also occurred. You push the market down before this consolidation started taking place. Like I said before, the reason why I stopped trading consolidation is I'll drop in the description of this video so that I will not waste much of our time. Let's just focus on what we have today. But the reason why I stopped trading consolidating market should be in the description of this video. Just pick one. I'm going to drop the videos. The reason why I stopped trading consolidating markets, the trend reversal, the candlestick that shows trend reversal, and the candlestick and the chart pattern that shows trend reversal. So now after this downtrend, there was a brief manipulation that took place within this period of time. And after this, what happened? The market started a new trend, which is an uptrend. So let me show you how the uptrend went. This is just the uptrend I'm telling you about. When the market pushed up and then came down, that was in the consolidating market, and then it pushed up again, causing this breakout that took place here. So this breakout now pushed the market up. Entering trade here is not advisable as a smart money trader. You're expected to wait for the market to retrace. This retrace is called a retest. So when it retests in a particular zone, this zone here, because of this previous low that occurred here, then you now enter your trade and then push it high. Now the markets have retraced, but I was unable to break out. Maybe another consolidation is about to take place, or a double top will form and the trend reversal will start taking place, or the market will still keep pushing up. So all you need to do is just, but the main thing is that this market will still move from here to this all-time high. And this is just the other block, or the supply and demand zone strategy. So this is just a very simple strategy. I'm going to show you another example in jump 10. So hope you understand this for 75. Let's go to jump 10 so that I will show you more after the jump 10, and then I will give you the last advice. That should be the last advice that you need on how to trade the break and retest strategy. Let's go to jump 10. The reason why I'm talking about this jump 10 is that I saw the setup today and I actually placed it with those in my VIP section. Okay, so I dropped it there. Let's go. Like what happened today during our trade is that I actually saw this downtrend here. You see that the market, just like I told you, this is a pure trend. So it's going down and then went up again and then pushed down and break out this structure that is here. Broke it out. There's break of structure, and then it retests. So you see it is a break and then retest, and then another break occurred, which stopped here, and then this retest took place. I entered this trade somewhere here within the 30 minutes in this candlestick that is here, and I exit when I got 1:2 somewhere here. So, and I made some profits with those my VIP. So this is just what break and retest is all about. You can see very well when there's a trend. So whenever I train break and retest strategy, make sure that it retests and then follow it to the break of structure. So this is just the simple terminology. This is just how simple it is. I decided to make the video because I saw it today and I decided to share it with you guys. You can use it as your own setup and then be making profits with it. So guys, this is just the tip of what I always share with those that apply to my VIP mentorship program. If you're interested, you can just go to my Telegram channel where I always drop free signal and then enjoy our free signal. So join the Telegram channel. From there, you will now get my WhatsApp number. You can chat me up directly to my WhatsApp for any business of your choice. Then we can now discuss it there for any program you want to enroll into. Okay, guys, this will be the end of today's class, and I hope this video was helpful, isn't it? I want you to please hit that like button for me, like my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, or subscribe to my channel if you are new. And if you haven't subscribed before, please subscribe. You know, I always drop educative content for you guys. Okay, I'm going to end this video here, guys. So yeah, bye.